Hello children, welcome to chemistry class. Today I am with you with another topic. Topic is preparation of ketones. Preparation of ketones. So let us see what is the formula of ketones, how ketones can be represented. So general formula of ketone, we write like this. We write like this. This is ketone. Ketone may be represented like this also. May be represented like this or like this also. It can be represented like this. So, what will be the formula means? How we will write the name? Let us see, and after that we will see preparation. So, name is alkanone. Alkanone. Okay. Ketone, alkanone. Alka means alkyl group. Alkyl group means alkane plus one. We can write it. So if I wrote this like this here, so name of this compound will be, I told general formula, general name, I packed name alkanone. Okay. So what will be, how many carbons? Pro, carbon have single bond, so for single bond we add N, and carbon oxygen double bond, for this we will add O, replacing E by O. We will write name. And we have to show possession. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it always gets position 2. So we can write 2 propanone. Name of this. Name of that. We will write acetophenone. Acetophenone. And that is benzophenone. So like this we will write the name. Okay. Now we will discuss preparation of ketones. So first point is preparation of ketones from acyl chloride. First is from acyl chloride. The reactions are very easy, so you can write it here. From acyl chloride, general formula of acyl chloride is this. When acyl chloride react with dialkyl cadmium, it forms ketone. It forms ketone. So for balancing we will make it 2. There also 2. So here these 2 Cl react with this, it form CdCl2, and these R2 means 2 alkyl groups are there, they are bonded. So they bond to this. Okay, and it forms product. Other way if we see, how we can write it, it is more better to write like this. 2 sorry RCOCl. Okay, and here this means we can show like this. Here CD react with this Cl and to that Cl. So what will form that? That will form CdCl2. And one alkyl from here goes to there and one to here. So it will form 2 ROCl. So like this we can write the reaction. Next, if we write the compounds like this, here CH3 COCl, CH3 COCl plus CH3 whole twice CD, like this. So these two will form CdCl2. CdCl2 we can write. What is remaining? RO. So what will be? CH3 O CH3, like this. Okay. Friends, one alkyl from there goes to this carbon and one to this carbon. So we get 2 acetone molecule, and name of this is dimethyl ketone. I pack name 2-propanone. Like this we can write. So this is a preparation from acyl chloride. So you must know the general formula and how does reaction take place. So from acyl halide we can prepare this. Next is from nitrites. Okay. So we will take alkyl nitride, RCN, or we can take CH3, CH2, Cn, nitride. That is ethane nitride. What is ethane nitride? React with RMgX. It is known as Grignard reaction in ethereal solution. In ether means when nitrile react with RMgX means Grignard reaction in ethereal solution, form adduct. How does it form adduct? Let us see. Here, if we say this group goes to carbon and that to nitrogen. Okay. So we can write this CH2 R, we can write R, okay, and double bond N MgX followed by hydrolysis, means anhydrolysis, followed by hydrolysis. Anhydrolysis, if we write like this, it is more. Okay. So during hydrolysis, this oxygen goes to carbon means this oxygen will be bonded to carbon by double bond, and these two will be bonded to this one. Okay, so what will be the product? Product is CH3, CH2, CO, like this. There can be shown, and R plus NH2 MgX. This is the general formula. This is the general way. Many other products we can write by following this. So how we can follow it? Let us take some example. By this method, we can prepare as alkyl and alkyl ketone both. By this method, we can prepare alkyl ketone or aryl ketone. Let us see. So here, if we have taken CH3, CH2, Cl, and react with, I am writing just suppose C6H5, MgX, like this, opposite. Okay, MgCl I am right. MgCl. Here there is triple bonds. So in that, so here that group goes to carbon and this group to nitrogen. So adduct will be formed. So what is adduct? Adduct will be CH3, CH2, C6H5, and MgCl. On hydrolysis, here I am writing like this, so it will be easy to show. This will form product. So what is that product? That is NH2 MgCl. And what is remaining? So we can write like this: CH3, CH2, CO, this oxygen to there, and C6H5. So what will be name of this compound? Name of this compound will be, what is? Propiophenol. Propiophenol. So by this method, we can prepare acetone or dimethyl ketone also. How we can prepare dimethyl ketone from this? All of you note it. Then I will change it. Instead of this, if I wrote, please all of you note it. Okay. So this is this. If I wrote here CH3, so there will be CH3, and here will be this. Means what will be name of this compound? So aromatic and aliphatic ketones can be prepared. So how much is in your syllabus? That much we will discuss, because it is so much lengthy. So what is in your syllabus? That much will be discussed here. So what will be name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many carbons are there? 4 carbons. It can be written like this. If we try to write it, CH3, CH2, CO, CH3. So how many carbons are there? 4. From this side we will number it from that side, because from that side it gets lowest number. So what is name of this compound? Name of this compound is butane or we can write 2-butanone. Both are correct. So like this we can prepare. Next is Friedel-Crafts reaction. So from benzene are substituted benzene, Friedel-Crafts reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation. So you might have studied Friedel-Crafts is of two types: alkylation and acylation. Second is acylation. So in both are similar, but if we take CH3Cl, that is called alkylation. If we take CH3OCl, that is called acylation. So here we will use acylation. So what is the reaction? Benzene are substituted benzene react with acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 gives acetophenone. Gives acetophenone. So what we have seen? Benzene or substituted benzene are made to react with acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 gives acetophenone. Let us write reaction. So here benzene plus, I can write like this, ClOCH3, that is acetyl chloride or acyl chloride we say it. Here in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, you know that at each portion here one hydrogen, carbon is bonded to one hydrogen, so these two will form HCl and that valency of carbon will be bonded to this carbon. Okay, so what will be the product? This will be the product. So name of this one is acetophenone. Okay. If instead of this we take other like this, if we take, so for representation I wrote here Cl, CO and here, so again Cl from one molecule and S from another molecule will form HCl. Will form HCl, and what is remaining? That is what is remaining? This one is removed. So this ring here single bond to O and again single bond to benzene ring. This much was remaining there. Okay. In presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So that is remaining. What is the name of this one? Name is benzophenone. Limitation of this reaction is that by this reaction we can't prepare methyl ketone. Dimethyl ketone, that is dimethyl ketone. Means by this method we can prepare acetophenone or benzophenone, but we can't prepare dimethyl ketone. Dimethyl, this is the limitation of this reaction. We can't prepare this one. We can prepare acetophenone or benzophenone, and this is very important reaction for board. Many times it has been asked as a short mode. So please solve it. If some doubts are there, please you comment on this video. If some problem is there, you comment.